Ah yes, Spanish chocolate, truly the greatest. So I'm trying to open this thing one-handed, so if I can just, there we go. So this is the chocolate we'll be using for the experiment, and now here we have a Spanish chocolate. Hopefully it'll work, and we'll just put it in the microwave. See, now here I didn't realize I still had the rolling table thing, as I took out the glass, but I didn't take out the rolling. So this was my first attempt. Stay safe. Now here we have the hertz, which is 2,450. And then the first try didn't work. The chocolate was too thick. I didn't realize that. So I had to get Hershey's chocolate. So I bought two just in case. And the first one snapped, so I decided to go for the second one. And after trying to open this one-handed, I moved this new chocolate into the microwave. Hopefully this one will work because it's a bit thinner than the Spanish chocolate. So I put it in here, still have the rolling table, didn't realize yet. So I give it a little pat. And then see how this works. Stay safe. So the first try didn't exactly work as planned. It melted a little bit, but not all the way through to where I can measure it. Now this one burned as I did too much, so that was great. And then I get the second chocolate, where this was the one I broke, put it in, removed the rolling table this time, as you can see. Finally realized my mistake. Put it in. Hopefully this one works, as this is my only chocolate left. And again, put in for a bit 10 seconds or 15 seconds this time, because I didn't want to burn it again. And some progress, you have some divots, but not enough to measure. And finally, I didn't have a ruler, so I had to use a measuring tape, which that was my measurement. You can see there. And I did the calculations. But it was kind of hard to write through the camera of the lens, so I had to do it off camera. I apologize for that. So hopefully this will work. I have some writing down. But then, yeah, it's sort of hard. So the 2,450 megahertz, that's the power that was in the microwave. And then the 3.68 centimeters, that's what I converted from the inches on the measuring tape. And I times that by 2 because only the distance between is only half a wave. So I times it by 2 to get 7.56 centimeters, upon which I then multiplied that by the megahertz, which then equaled originally 18,032. But I times that, but I had to convert megahertz into just hertz, which is closer to light, which is 18,332 million centimeters per second.